head to Pilates. This is my fit of the day. This top is by the brand Nyla. I think that's what it's called. Shorts are airy, and then I have my Birks on, and then some cute little socks from Pillow Bar that say Hot Girls Do Pilates. I'm running late, so let's go. Wow, okay. It has been a morning. I finally have like a minute. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I'm kind of like abruptly starting this vlog, but it is Monday morning. So I've already been super busy because if you don't know, I work remote in influencer marketing. So the day has begun. I got home from Pilates, I showered, ate breakfast, and then started my day. My hair's still wet. I'm like debating if I'm gonna blow dry it, maybe later. So excited to take you guys along with me this week. We have a few things to get done. I have company coming this weekend, so it's just gonna be a really good week. I just took out some chicken. I'm actually gonna throw it in my slow cooker for the day, but before that I actually have therapy. Wow, I am an oily mess. Let's do this. I just got done with therapy. It's literally the best. She went over, I was like, over an hour. Usually it's 50 minutes, so heck yeah. Also have a cottage cheese crisp cooking in there. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much just cottage cheese with some seasonings on it and then the air fryer. I want to do a quick, all right, I ordered something from TikTok Shop. This is my second order from TikTok Shop. The package has arrived. First is this little box. It's this little cowboy boot, but it comes with a sticker on the bottom so you can light matches with it. You put matches in it. Literally so cute. My mom is going to start posting TikToks. She's a therapist, and I wanted to get her for her birthday a LED light selfie stick that is also a tripod. I did order 2 workout sets because they were like dirt cheap. Like, oh my gosh, these are tiny. Oh my gosh. I don't know if these are gonna fit. These little shorts here with this crisscross top, thinking Pilates. And then I also got this one. This one would not leave my For You page, and it is this green top right here that looks like it'll fit with these matching green bottoms. Again, I'm gonna have to try these on because these are looking a little small. Just took a trip to Trader Joe's. I'll show you guys what I got. I got these beautiful flowers. I'm gonna mix these 2 together. I am obsessed with this color. It was the last one left. I got this new vase from Hobby Lobby and it's so cute. I put it on this little stand and I just added my little cowgirl boot. Okay, here is what we're working with. I feel like this is kind of a larger haul for someone who lives alone. I got some more hold the cone. I got some feta because I want to make like a corn salad this weekend. Some sour cream. This is like a massive container. I'm definitely not going to use all of that. Chicken pot stickers. Got my favorite bread. If you know, you know. This has like not a lot of ingredients in it. Some bananas for the week. I got this salsa. Never tried it. I don't know if it's hot. It doesn't have like a thermometer on it. Teeny tiny avocados. Thinking I can put this in some bowls this week or make some guac. Mexican style shredded cheese. Those flowers. Then I got some corn chips. Perfect for chips and salsa. And then I just picked up these because with having guests, I feel like this is a really good snack to munch on. I am going to put all of that away, and then I actually have a pile of laundry on my couch that I also have to put away. So much fun. I cannot believe that these are my natural nails. I just peeled off the polish. I use a rubber base and I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet. I kind of want to do like a clear coat and then do white polka dots on top. We'll see. We'll see what I end up doing. But both hands are free of polish and I have my chicken cooking. I am slow cooking some chicken. There's just chicken breasts in there with some chicken broth. I'll take it out and shred it and then re-put it in there with some more seasonings. Also, can we just talk about these right here? I saw these when I was at Hobby Lobby and I used to eat these all the time as a kid, and I love like a little candy every once in a while, so I had to buy them. This is where I do my nails when I am in daylight while watching a vlog. So I just finished them. Honestly, I feel like I'm getting better and better. My only thing is that I can't do anything exquisite yet. Like, they do look really natural and clean. I did have one nail break. My opposite hand, not as good, but honestly, not terrible. This nail needs to grow because all the other nails are longer. I'm okay with it. They lasted like almost 2 weeks, which is not bad, especially from someone who's like a chronic biter and peeler. I'll take it. They do look very healthy. I cannot believe that these are my nails. I'm definitely like an anxious picker. Like I'll pick my nails off, bite them off. That's just who I am. It is almost 7 o'clock. I am just waiting for my chicken to be done, my shredded chicken, and then I'm gonna make a Mexican chicken bowl. Okay, I just shredded the chicken, and now what I'm gonna do is add like a tablespoon of water, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of just this original taco seasoning. Now what I'm gonna do is give it like 10 to 15 minutes to heat up again, and then I'm gonna prepare my bowl. Wow, this is so exciting. It's almost 8 o'clock, but I made my bowl. I have cabbage, black beans, sour cream that's kind of thick. I don't know how I feel about that. The chicken, I put on that Trader Joe's salsa, also very chunky. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that. Mexican cheese and rice. Good morning, guys. I'm trying on the sets from TikTok Shop, and I feel like I am gonna look into the return policy because this one is very small. I did get a size small, so that's my bad. I definitely should have went for a medium. Very compressed, and I feel like I don't know if I would wear this to Pilates because it feels very small. I might return this one. Then we have this one. I feel like it fits a little bit better, but it's still like super tight around my neck. I'm gonna have to look into the return policy. I mean, these were so cheap. I feel like on TikTok Shop you can get stuff for really cheap. It is cute. I don't know. I'll think about it. I am just gonna quickly do my makeup. I am so impressed by my skin because I started using this from La Roche-Posay. I saw it all over TikTok and I feel like my skin is like glowing, which is cool. I also bought this because it was Target Circle Week and it was on sale. There's a girl on TikTok that I saw uses this as like her gua sha serum. Alright, I just did my makeup. I'm gonna wear my hair down, but I'm like kind of sweating because I'm wearing a sweater. I just have to say, my skin is insane. Like close up, I usually have a really big problem with my big pores because they get clogged easily. I don't know. I'm gonna give it like a couple weeks to give like a full review, but it's glowing. Okay, about to eat breakfast. I just have 2 hard-boiled eggs, a piece of toast, and then some grapes. And then I'm actually gonna start shopping because it is Prime Day. I'm so excited. I might get this vanity. I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and get it because I really want a vanity and I feel like it's really cute. I have some espresso machine stuff that isn't on sale, or not all of it is, and then also a desk chair. So I'm kind of like just popping around and seeing what I want to get. I also have a running list in my notes app of things that I need to restock on. I am just about to join my first meeting of the day. Kind of started to freak out yesterday because I think I used a lip gloss that I used when I was sick, and then I used it and I like started to get a sore throat. So now I'm all paranoid that I'm gonna get sick. So I'm like drinking tea and having airborne, but we're just gonna manifest that I'm healthy. But I found a new lip product. They actually sent this to me a while ago and I've never used it. This is clear. It honestly feels really great. Also, love the nails. Really impressed how they're holding up even after 1 day. Sometimes they'll already start to peel, but they look perfect. Gonna join my meeting. I have my element in my water. I'm so excited about my vanity because I'm gonna be rearranging my entire bedroom, which maybe I'll make a video about that. Let's continue on with our day. Okay guys, I'm about to do something extremely random, and that is make cottage cheese pancakes. Kind of scared. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but that's what I'm having for dinner tonight. If it doesn't come out good, then I guess we're just having snacks, because I was gonna have my shredded chicken again, but I'm getting tacos tomorrow for dinner and I just don't want to overdo it, so I'll probably have that again for lunch, and I'm really not in the mood to have it for dinner. So here are our ingredients. We have flour, sugar, cottage cheese. I'm gonna use clarified butter to get the pan like greasy, baking powder, and vanilla extract. I also have to use 4 eggs, and I'm gonna blend this to make it a little bit more creamier and less chunky. Okay, I'm actually really excited. It smells really good. I actually ended up blending the cottage cheese. It didn't fully blend into like a liquid, but it got most of the chunks out. I just mixed in the flour, and now I'm gonna preheat my pan. Definitely don't look like pancakes, but they are actually really good. I just took a bite out of this one. I'm gonna like plate some of them and eat those. I have a few others cooking, and I really only made like, said I could make 12, but it kind of makes sense because I'm making them kind of big. My dinner was actually really good. It kind of gave like carb heavy dessert vibes, but it's totally fine. I am gonna wind down for the night, take off my makeup, and probably do my LED face mask. I also just realized I am running low on my makeup remover. I also have this weird dry patch on my eye because I scratched myself and it's just taking forever to heal. Like, I broke skin and I hate it because you can see it in all my videos and all my photos, and when I'm on Zoom with people I'm like, oh, but I am pretty tired. I want to read some more of my book. I started the 3rd Housemaid series and I just love it. It's so good. I also think I might self-tan my face because my face is getting like sickly white in comparison to my body. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe. I mean, I don't know if it's just the lighting, but my face looks so white. This is the vibe, y'all. I just read a good like 40 pages. I don't know how I feel about this. I love the other two. This one, I don't know if I'm loving it, but we're almost like halfway through. Good morning. Currently watching the canceled podcast. I got my little headband on and I'm actually getting ready to go for a walk. I'm not kidding. I feel like this spot on my eye got worse. I don't understand. It looks more red and irritated. I'm gonna do some skincare. I'm really upset about that. I've been using this eye cream a lot more consistently by Enquires and also this one by Pharmacy. It's like their Wake Up Honey eye cream. Both of them pretty good, but I'm trying to avoid that spot on my eye. Didn't I say I was gonna self-tan my face last night? I did not do that. Fit check for my walk. This top is from Recess Pickleball, and then the shorts are Halara. Ever since they sent me that package, I cannot stop wearing their stuff. It's actually really good quality. And then just gonna wear my Hoka sneakers. I have regrets getting these in orange. It's very random, but that's what we're working with. Who's ready to go sweat? This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, finally taking lunch. I am so hungry. The second I got back from my walk, I had to hit the ground running. So now I'm gonna eat lunch and watch a podcast. I kind of have a headache. My hair looks a mess, but I am going to watch my podcast, take ibuprofen, maybe do my hair, and then get back to work. Hey guys, we are ready for dinner. It has been a day, let me tell you. I honestly am debating getting back on my computer just to get more work done so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. I'm ready for dinner. I'm leaving in about an hour. The sun is out. I'm wearing this little handkerchief style top. I'm pretty sure I got it from Marshall's last year, and then just my Abercrombie jean shorts. This is like kind of backless, very comfortable. Got a bunch of jewelry. I might add another necklace, keeping it pretty basic, you know? Very excited to eat and have a cocktail. Hi guys, it's the next day. Currently squatting on the floor. I'm taking my lunch break. We said no makeup today because I was out late last night. I ended up going to dinner with my mom and her friend Connie, and then I ended up going out for a couple drinks. I have a lot to do for work, but I need to stop looking at a screen. It's kind of just like getting caught up on a few clients. I got an Amazon package in from my Prime Day order. I got some espresso beans, and then I also got a package from Fabletics. Okay, I'm so excited. I think it's coming in 2 separate packages, but this is the top that they sent. It is like a royal blue with crisscross back, and I can't remember what pants I got with it, but I'm really excited. I am pretty hungry, but I think I'm just gonna have a lot of snacks, like protein snacks, a beef stick, probably a salad, and then tonight I'm actually gonna make my salmon bowl, which I'm really looking forward to, so let's eat. I am dying at this episode of Basically Unfiltered. I just started listening to this podcast maybe a couple weeks ago, and I binged and finally caught up to new episodes, and this one just came out and I am crying. I'm laying on my couch crying, laughing. They all just have me dying. I swear my neighbors are probably like, what's going on? Because I'm screaming laughing. I am currently preparing a corn salad. So I have all this corn from Costco. I'm gonna boil it and then shuck it. My mom brought me this shucker thing. Of course, my pans are from our place and my accessories. I love it. Good morning, guys. I just got up and got ready for Pilates. Alara top, Alora or Aurora. Oh, I don't know. They're Amazon biker shorts, and then these little sticky grip socks from Amazon. I did self-tan my face last night, so we're looking a little bit more even. One of my friends is coming to visit, so I made her bed. I'm gonna head to Pilates in about 5 minutes, come back and do a little bit of work, maybe go by the pool later. I just want to get like most of the stuff I have to get done pretty early in the day. Okay, we are here. My lower back kind of hurts, so let's do this. We are back from the class. Woo! I don't know why I was struggling today, like pretty bad. Felt like I was gonna get sick, so that's good. I am just making breakfast, having my usual, some fruit, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and some toast. It is coffee time using those Blue Bottle beans, and then I have some pumpkin spice creamer and some milk in here. I made the corn salad. I'm so excited. It looks pretty good. It's super basic. It's literally just corn, lime juice, feta, and some red cabbage. I'm gonna taste it and see how it is. I mean, it looks fuego. I was gonna put like scallions and jalapeno, but I really don't feel like going to the store. That's just me being lazy today. My day is going pretty good so far. I've been just doing like emails and stuff. Okay, let's try this. My thoughts would be so much better with scallions, but it is pretty good. It's very like light and refreshing because there's really not a lot of ingredients in it, but I'm gonna eat that. So much fun.